Good afternoon. Myself Nishant Katiyar, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Rama University, Kanpur. Today, for video lecture, my topic is adverse drug effects. That is, what are adverse drug effects and types of adverse drug effects and the categories of the adverse drug effects. So first we define the adverse drug effects. What is the adverse drug effects? Adverse drug effects are the any response of a drug that is noxious and unintended, means that is not required for their therapeutic effect of a disease. They are produced after long duration of use and sometimes prompt, and sometimes they can produce after stoppage of the medication. These types of adverse drug effects can be classified into type A and type B adverse drug effects. In type A, these types of adverse drug effects are quantitative and they are predictable, means we can predict in these type of adverse drug effects, and they are also dose related, means if the dose is increased, they produce maximum adverse drug effects. And in type 2 adverse drug effects, these are the adverse effects are qualitative in nature and they are unpredictable and they are not dose related, means it is not related to dose of a preparation or dose of a medicine. Adverse drug effects can be categorized into following types like side effects, toxic effects, intolerance, drug withdrawal reactions, teratogenicity, mutagenicity and carcinogenicity. And drug dependence. Drug dependence one again subdivided into psychological dependence or physical dependence. So first is side effects. It is the effect of drug that produced their effect inside of therapeutic effect, means that produce therapeutic effect, but they also produce any effect that is side and that is not as a therapeutic effect. These effects are produced in all individuals, like atropine. Atropine used as a pre-anesthetic medication for its anti-secretory effect, means it decreases the secretion. So it reduces the body secretions of saliva and other body fluids. But after use of this drug, it produces side effects of dryness of mouth, means due to decrease in the secretion of saliva, it produces dryness of mouth. It is a side effects of atropine in therapeutic doses. Second, toxic effects are produced by any drug when it is used in overdose or excess dose. When it is used overdose or excess use are used prolonged time, means it used for many days, then it produce side effects. Side effects may be absolute, means homicidal, suicidal or accidental. If any person take any drug in large dose, then it produce toxic effects. And sometimes it is a absolute, like in gentamicin in renal failure. In renal failure patient, if take gentamicin, it can cause toxic effects in kidney. Next one is intolerance. Intolerance means inability of a drug to tolerate by a patient. When patient is unable to tolerate a drug, like chloroquine. Some patients develop vomiting and abdominal pain after taking chloroquine as a anti-malarial drug, but other side, some individuals does not develop any type of intolerance or side effects of chloroquine. Next adverse effect is drug withdrawal reactions. Drug withdrawal reactions means when any person use drug for long time and then he left use of that drug. Some reactions develop, some adverse drug reactions develop after stoppage of the drug. Like for example, clonidine. Clonidine is a drug that is used as a antihypertensive, but after stoppage, after prolonged use, when stop the clonidine, it can produce restlessness, hypertension and sympathetic overactivity in patient. And another adverse drug effects is teratogenicity. Teratogenicity means a drug that produce effect in fetus after taking by the pregnant woman, and it can produce unwanted and toxic effects to the fetus. For example, thalidomide. Thalidomide is a drug that cause phocomelia in fetus if it is taken by pregnant woman. Next adverse effect is mutagenicity or carcinogenicity. Mutagenicity or carcinogenicity means development of mutations or cancerous effects of a drug. Some drugs produce cancer or change in genetic structure of the man. For example, the anti-cancer drug, estrogen or tobacco, they can produce mutagenicity or carcinogenicity of a individual. And another drug adverse effect is drug dependence. Drug dependence means it is the dependency when any patient or individual use drug for prolonged time, it depends on it. When suddenly when it withdraw the taking of drug, it produce adverse drug effects. Drug dependence can be divided into physical dependence, psychological dependence, and second one is physical dependence. Psychological dependence means in this situation the patient thinks the psychological dependence, the patient develop dependence psychologically, means the patient think that the actual this type of well-being is achieved only by the taking of that particular type of drug. For example, smoking of cigarette. And second one is physical dependence. This type of dependence only develop after taking of a drug for longer period. Physical dependence, when withdrawal, this type of dependence after stopping of uses of drug, it produce some other responses to the individual body. This type of dependence produce, for example, alcohol and opiates drugs, like some drugs like morphine or codeine, that drugs produce physical type of drug dependence, means patient develop physically patient develop to dependence on this drug, and when that patient, when that stop the usage of that drug, that feeling some type of adverse drug reaction or adverse drug effects. So these are the different types of adverse effects, type of adverse effects and categories which type of adverse effects produce with different types of drugs. In next topic we cover any other topic related to pharmacology. Thank you.